In this video, let us solve exercise 1.1 of the sets chapter. Fourth question. Write the following sets in set builder form. So we have to write the given sets in the set builder form. So set builder form is, we are going to write the common property of the elements of a set. So first one, set consisting of elements 3, 6, 9, 12. So if we see the elements, so these elements are multiple of 3. So what we can write in the set builder form, some set A is equals to set of all x such that x is equals to 3n. So that is multiple of 3, where n is a natural number. So here 12. 12 means it is fourth multiple of 3. So and n should be less than or equals to 4. So we are considering multiple of 3 till where? Till fourth multiple. Second question, set consisting of elements 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So if you see the elements, these are powers of 2. So this is 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. So in the set builder form, I can write B is equals to set of all y such that y is equals to 2 power n. Again, n is a natural number, and again we are considering powers of 2 till 5th power. So what I can write, and n is less than or equals to 5. So we are considering powers of 2 till where? Till 5th power. Again, third question is similar to second one. Here also the elements 5, 25, 125 and 625 are what? Are powers of 5. So 5 power 1, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 power 4. So in the set builder form, I can write this set as some C is equals to set of all z such that z is equals to 5 power n, where n is a natural number and n is less than or equals to 4. Means we are considering till 4th power of 5. Fourth question, set consisting of elements 2, 4, 6, so on. So if you see the elements, what we can say, these are even natural numbers. So I can write this is equals to some set E is equals to set of all x such that x is an even natural number. Fifth one, 1, 4, 9 till 100. Again, what I can see from seeing these numbers, 1 means I can write 1 square, 4 means 2 square, 9 means 3 square, so on. 100 means 10 square. So this is the square of the natural number less than or equals to 10. So in the set builder form, I can write some f is equals to set of all y such that y is equals to n square. N is a natural number and n is less than or equals to 10. So if you see here, if you give values from 1 to 10, what happens? Again we will get these elements.